Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this Samsung slide-in range. Model number is NE50, is it 58? 58F9500 in stainless steel. Now, just going off what we got on the outside, it's a slide-in, so it's not like your regular freestanding range where the back is missing and we have the controls on the front here instead. Also, a really nice thing about this too, you can pull out a little bit. It does have a lip, so when it slides in, the counters that you have, they can overlap so that you don't get food spillage down the side of the cooktop and in between the cabinets. It is a 5-burner cooktop, so you've got 2 power boils right here, a warming center, and then just 2 simmers as well right there. Everything is touch control. Some people like that, some people don't. I personally really like it. It gives it kind of a sleek look. You're going to have a steam clean, self clean, convection, all those kind of functions are going to be on right there. Now, opening the oven. This one does have a dual convection. So what that does, it's going to evenly heat everything just faster, and it's going to be about 30% more efficient than just a regular convection oven. Then also we have temperature probe. Obviously, you know, when you probe your meat, you check the internal temperature of your food. This would connect to either the panel up here or even your phone on the Samsung Appliances app as well. Also, the inside is this interior color, because whenever you do the steam clean, the food will show up a lot easier. So when you wipe it down, you can actually locate where all the nasty food is. Very dusty storage drawer right here. And then, you know, you got edge-to-edge cooktop as well, so for space, you're not going to run out of any room or anything like that, which is super helpful. You can put as many pots and pans in there as you need. Yeah, so that's all I have for this week, guys. There's plenty more on this on our website, appliancefactory.com. Definitely go check that out. We have a great price on this right now. Yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.